Paul Tungwarara, a close ally of President Emmerson Mnangagwa and a key figure in the so-called 2030 agenda, has been awarded yet another lucrative government contract, this time to construct 50,000 houses for war veterans. Sanapena mashoko onekwa kunze chimwe chigananda panguva ino chopiwa juicy tender inoonekwa kunze vakomana apa vachinyatsonyora kusvika vanaka toti vasubscribe like otomva bell icon. Deep it up Zim Mubulanywa Mchenzi, local government minister Daniel Garwe, himself a vocal Mnangagwa loyalist and the 2030 cheerleader, announced that Tungwarara's company, Prevail Group International, would lead the project. Tungwarara also serves as the special presidential investment advisor, cementing his growing influence within the inner circle of Mnangagwa's patronage network. Prevail Group will be responsible for identifying 50,000 housing stands nationwide, then allocating them to war veterans through the Ministry of Local Government. Yet critics are crying foul, pointing to the continued handpicking of companies for billion-dollar state tenders without public bidding, especially under Mnangagwa's ever-expanding presidential branding schemes. Even more troubling is the math. According to the government's own statistics, fewer than 30,000 Liberation War veterans are still alive. So why commission 50,000 houses? Observers warn the discrepancy suggests the housing scheme could be a smoke screen for looting and vote buying, rather than genuine empowerment of the aging and impoverished veterans. Many of the real freedom fighters, now old and destitute, lack the means to build homes even if given the stance. The project's timing, 45 years after the liberation struggle, only fuels suspicions of political opportunism, with the calls growing louder from delusioned war veterans for Mnangagwa to step down. This latest gesture appears calculated to pacify dissent and tighten his grip on power. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva ino pamusoro petenda yapuwa vana Tungwarara panguva ino zvinoonekwa kunzi hapamborina noda kuti tinoona kuti maveterans asara munyika haambopfuuri nyangwe 30,000 but ivo vanoda kukomishina dzimba dzosvika 50,000 and vouya vochiita that project 45 years after independence. And on top of that kuri kuonekwa kunzi maveterans acho achiri mapenyu panguva ino vatova vanhu vatochembera zvavo vasina kana basa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.